Okay, I am going to just show you guys how quick and easy it is to do these card kits by Creative Memories. So in this kit, which are literally only $5.50, you are going to get the instructions for each card. And this happens to be Welcome Baby. It's a baby theme. You're going to have the card bases, which is a really nice high quality cardstock, and the envelopes. And these envelopes happen to be colors. Not all the kits are that way, but these are. And then in here, you will get everything you need to make the cards. So let's just pull these out and we will get started. All right, so you're gonna see with card number 1, and I'll move those out of the way, that you're gonna need all the ones that start with a 1. So this one is 1D, and I will try to just kind of give you an overview of what it is. So this says 1D, and this one is 2D. This means this is for the first card, this is for the second card, and the third card would have things that start with a 3, obviously. So, I'm going to just start by putting all the ones over here. There's some 3s, another 1, a 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and let's see, there's a 3, set those aside, a 2, a 1, and a 1. Okay, so I'll set all the other ones aside. Now, in this one, because we have the colored envelopes, we don't have additional pieces, but in many of the card kits, they will have additional embellishments, additional sentiments, and just things that you can swap out. Like if you need a birthday card and it happens to be instructions for a get well card, you can turn it into a birthday card and that kind of thing. So I'm just putting some adhesive on here to stick this down. Line it up. This was 1A, so it's the first piece down. Now 1B will be the next one, and it looks like it's centered top to bottom. So I'll get that next 1B centered top to bottom, just like that. And then it says, align it at here, 1C to 1F atop the rounded squares on top of 1B. All right, so I guess you just put them like that. We're going to spell out the word baby over top there. So I can do one of two things. I can just adhere this down, or I could even, if I wanted to, I could pop this up on foam squares, which I think I'm going to do. Let me just grab some foam squares so I can give that a shot. All right. So if I wanted to do the little foam squares, I'll just add one on each corner. So simple and quick. Just like that. Peel the backs off. And this is just going to give it a little bit of dimension. I love these card kits. They're so easy to do. You can do them just for fun yourself. I mean, 3 cards for $5.50. You can't beat that. But you can also do these with kids. They're so simple to do. Even Nellie, who's 4, can make these just rock. So don't be afraid to grab a couple of these for a summer project with the kiddos. I know this summer I'm going to have Nellie again. Right now I have her a couple days right after school, which is really fun while Mom and Dad work. And Thursday night is our late night. That's a night that Jess knows she can work late. And so that's when I have her. I'll have her this summer on Thursdays, which is so much fun. We think of a lot of fun things to do during the summer that we can't do the rest of the year. And I'm just going to pop that right on there. And we'll do the rest. It looks like I'm going to need a few more foam squares. And that's all right. That's what they're there for. But these are just a lot of fun. And yeah, I will need a few more. Let me grab another one here. And some of you might be even faster at this than I am, but this is going really quickly. So if you have any babies that are coming in your family, seems like for a few years there we had quite a few, and someday maybe we will again. Seems like when your kids are having their families, all your friends, their families are having kids again. So it goes in streaks like that. But just take these little papers off the back of your foam squares and adhere that on. Just like that. So there is the base of the page. And I want to point this out to you. This is called the lifter stick. And just like it says, it's just got kind of a gummy end. But when you feel like your fingernails just can't get under something, or your all thumbs, it just picks it up for you. Quick and easy. It doesn't leave any residue. And we're going to put that right across the top there. So we'll just put a little adhesive on this. And stick that down just like that. You can put this anywhere you want. The picture shows it up here, but if you wanted to put it down here, over here, wherever, you could do that. Change it up however you want. Just put it there, and 1 card done. Super, super cute. All right, so let's move on to card number 2. So all my pieces for card number 2 are here, and I need a card base. Oh, let's see, a card base there, not the envelope. And we're going to start with A. So 2A is my card base, and it's so pretty. So 3 cards in this kit. Everything you need to do it, $5.50. You would be hard pressed to buy a card at any store for $5.50 or less. So there's my base, and now it says adhere 2B to 2A. Here's my 2B. It's going to go right in the center there. See if I can get that straight. I'm used to standing up when I do stuff like this to see if it's centered, and I didn't realize that until just now, and I didn't want to put my head in front of the camera. And then we're going to do this right there, because this is 2C. Now you could put the little dots on this piece, or not the dots, but the the foam squares, or you could do those on the next piece, which is the little bunny, and I think I'll do that. So let's just adhere this. Creative license, that's what we call it. We can choose how we want this to look. Just pop that down like that. And let me get a hold of this little baby. This cute little bunny. And I am going to put a couple of these little foam squares on there, and that will give it a little dimension. So I'll stick one there and one on the body of the bunny. And that'll be all he needs. Oh, he's so cute. That's an adorable card, I have to say. And look how easy that was. Anybody can do it. All right, card number 3. All right, I've got all my pieces here. So 3A. And we'll just put some adhesive on that. Oh, guess what? I'm running out of adhesive. So let me just show you how easy this is. Our dispensers are refillable. And so this happens to be the repositionable, which gives you a few minutes to move it if you need to, which is nice when you're doing cards. And so the repositionable is like little dots, little tiny dots. I'll put this up there, but I don't think you're going to be able to see that. But they're little tiny glue dots on there. And you just take the empty cartridge out and put the new one in. Just snap it back together and you can use it. This little part here, you just move that forward and it covers the glue dots. So when you throw it in your bag, you're not getting the glue dots stuck on things, but we'll move it out of the way and just add a little adhesive here. And I always turn mine just because I'm right-handed, and this is how I line it up. I line it up with the edge here and the edge here of my card, and then I know it'll be fine at the fold also. But you just have to remember to turn it back to finish your card. All right, it looks like align it adhere 3B to 3A. So 3B onto 3A, and it looks like it's just centered. So we'll center it there. Yeah, these are really cute. And then a 3C. It's got the cute little duck on it. Okay, raise your hand if you had a kitchen with those ducks in it, because I did. Circa 1985, when I got married, in my first kitchen, I had all those ducks with that country blue. All right, and now the little hello little one. All right, we'll get those in place. I think I'll do the bottom one first. No, I'll do this one first. So yeah, just adhere those. I had ducks everywhere. I had the recipe box and the canisters and who knows what else. A lot of figurines, some baskets, all the stuff. Bringing back the 80s in my mind with this little duck. And add that on there. And we are almost done with the card kit. Super easy to do. So we've got a hello little one right there. And my card is done. So there are the 3 cards. This one's my favorite. I love that little bunny. And then we've got the 3 colored envelopes. You can put any one of those in any one of the envelopes. And I probably would mix my colors up. I wouldn't necessarily put this one with the bunny one, but there you go. We've got our beautiful 3 baby cards from our instructions. Welcome, baby. And if you need this card kit, let me know. If you've got a couple showers or anyone you know that's having a baby that you need a card for, it's just the perfect thing. So, thanks for joining me.